Hey guys, this is Elias with Softly, and this video is going to be a quick overview of the WPO Export plugin, what you can do with it, what data you can export, and what formats and whatnot. So let's start by selecting the post type we want to export. And guys, if you click here on this pull down, you will see all of the post type that your site is running. So if maybe you're using WooCommerce or you have maybe some post types created with ACF, Jake Engine, or whatever, you will find them here, right? Products and whatever you have in your website, it's gonna be shown here. So into this video, I'm just gonna export some posts. So I'm gonna click there, and you can see here that WPL export says we have 104 posts, and this is true, so it's cool. And well, if I wanted to filter out some of the posts I don't want, I will do it here, but I'm just gonna roll with this because we have other videos where we dive a little bit more into details about how these filtering options works and how the WP query works and all of this other stuff. So I'm gonna click on customize export file, and this is the export template. So this is where you kind of build the file you want. So maybe one of the first things you want to do is select the export type. So by default is CSV, but you can change that to Excel or XML. And if you preview, you will get like a preview of the actual file, right? So I'm going to roll with CSV, and I'm going to get rid of this ID because I don't need it. And I'm going to just start dragging and dropping some stuff from this right panel into the export template, right? So guys, I believe we can add maybe the feature image right here, right? And then for the taxonomies, we have here the categories. So let me preview so you can see that, right? We have here the feature image and some categories, so that's cool. And then for custom fields, well, guys, these custom fields are basically any custom meta field your site has for that post type, it will show up here, right? So say, for instance, you're exporting some listing, which is actually the case. These are property listings, right? These are actually like houses and whatnot. So all of those fields, like how many bathrooms does it have, how many bedrooms, the price, availability, all of that stuff is going to show up here in custom fields. Now, when it comes to custom fields, there are cases where maybe your site has that fields stored in custom database tables. So we have workarounds for that using PHP. So if that's the case, just be sure to check out the docs in wplimport.com or contact our support team, and we will be more than happy to help you out. For now, let's just drag and drop this stuff like this, availability and square fits, and hit preview to see how our file is looking. And we have title, content, image, feature, categories, bedrooms, price, availability, and square fits. Now let's maybe tidy this file a little bit. I'm going to change this title to maybe property name, right? And this content is going to be called description. Cool. Now these bathrooms and whatever, I'm just going to make this a little bit prettier, like this. Bedrooms, price, all right, and finally square fits, right? That's cool. Let's preview, and there you go, right? Now guys, there are a lot of stuff you can do here. You can reorder this, like maybe you want to put the price here first, or maybe the availability, the square fits should be like here, right? Preview, and there you go. It's easy. Maybe, I don't know, guys, you want to build a custom export field, whatever I'm gonna call it, and you want to include here the title and a dash and say, hi, my name is Elias, and then another dash, and then you want to include maybe the price, but you want to add the currency first, right? Like this, you can do it, and there you go. Here we have our custom field, wherever, and one shortcut, hi, my name is Elias, and the actual price. But let's maybe delete all of this and call this price, and we'll leave it like this with the currency symbol. Save, preview, and there you go, right? That was pretty cool. Now guys, like I said, there are a lot of things you can do here, and if you actually know PHP, that's, well, this guy's the limit for you, because from here you can connect to an external service and pull in some data. You can make some operations. You can add or multiply or divide or whatever thing you need to do with one and multiple fields, and it's very, very powerful, guys. So if this is something that interests you, just be sure to check out the other videos in our channel and our website at wplimport.com. For now, I think we're ready here, so I'm just gonna roll with this structure and continue. Here we have some other options, and probably the most interesting one is these scheduling options, because it will allow you to automate your exports in whatever time interval you want. So for instance, if you want to run this export Monday through Friday, just select that from here like this, set up a time, so maybe this time and a second time at 9:30 a.m., right? And with this, WPL export will run on this schedule. But guys, the automatic scheduling is a paid service, right? So it currently costs $9 a month. But if you don't want to subscribe to that, you can always use cron jobs. And cron jobs are free. They're just a little bit more technical, but they are super easy to set up, and we have great documentation on how to do that. So if this is something that interests you, you know what to do. Just click here and go nuts. Now, we're not going to do this in this example, and we're not going to play around with all of these super advanced settings because, like I said before, this is a quick overview video. So if you want to know more about this, you know what to do. So let's confirm and run this. And as you can see, it's very fast. So here we can download our CSV and open it to make sure all of our data is looking good, right? So here we have our property name, description. All of the data seems to be here. Image feature. As you can see, the column names were maintained, and the custom export field we created with the price and the currency worked. And all of the other properties are right here. You can see that we have 105 minus, of course, the header column that gives us 104. So there you have it, guys. It's very simple to export data with WP All Export. And remember, you can export any post type you have in WordPress to CSV, to Excel, to XML, whatever you want, right? And you can even connect that to Zapier and send that file to maybe Google Drive or Dropbox, or send it via email or to your actual CRM or whatever it is. Just click here and you will be taken to the WPL Export Pro integration page with Zapier. So here you can connect that to over 6,000 apps. And again, if this is something that interests you, be sure to check out this video. You can also schedule your exports, like I said before, and just go nuts, guys. And yeah, that's it. So if you want to know more about how to import or export any kinds of data, even using advanced plugins like JetEngine, ACF, Metabox, or WooCommerce, or whatever you have, you know what to do. Check out the other videos in our channel and check out our website at wplimport.com. For now, thank you for watching and see you next time.